Everyone, today we are back again with our math class, and here today we will start from our chapter integers of class 7, and as we have completed up to exercise 1.3, so today we are going to start from 1.4 exercise. And in the previous exercise we have learned how to multiply two integers, and in this exercise we will learn how to divide two integers. So without wasting time, let's get started. So in the first sum we will see that here minus 30 is divided by 10. What is the procedure? The sign will be exactly same in case of multiplication. Just whatever we have done in case of multiplication, the same thing we will do in case of division only. So here you can see one negative integer is divided by one positive integer. So whatever the answer we will get in the answer will always be a negative integer, as we have multiplied one positive integer and one negative integer, and we have got one negative integer as our answer. Similarly, in case of division also we will do the same thing, means whenever we will divide a negative integer and a positive integer, then similarly we will get in our answer a negative integer, and the numbers will be divided as well. So in the answer we will get minus 3. Okay. Next sum, 50 is divided by minus 5. The number 50, which is a positive integer, is divided by minus 5. Positive integer is divided by a negative integer. So definitely in the answer we will get a negative integer. Then we will divide the numbers, means 50 will be divided by 10. So in the answer we will get minus 10. Let's do the next sum. Minus 36 is divided by minus 9. Here just in the rules of multiplication we have seen, if we multiply two negative integers, in the answer we will get a positive integer. Similarly, if we divide two negative integers, in the answer we will get a positive integer. So here two minus signs will bring one positive sign and the numbers will be divided. So in the answer we will get plus 4. Let's come to the next sum. Here minus 49 is divided by plus 49. Two different signs, means answer will always be a negative integer and the numbers will be divided, and after dividing the number we will see that it will be minus 1 only. Let's come to the next sum. 13 is divided by minus 2 plus 1. So before doing the division we need to do the part of this which is given inside the bracket. Here minus 2 plus 1 is given, two different signs, means always the answer will be a negative integer, and of course the operation will be subtraction and the sign will be of the bigger one. Here 2 is the bigger number, so we will get the answer minus 1 and we will get the answer as minus 13, because one positive integer and one negative integer, if they are divided, the answer will always be a negative integer, and simply we will divide the numbers. Now let's come to the next sum. 0 is divided by minus 12. Of course it will be 0, because if we divide 0 by any other number, of course the answer will be 0 always. Now in the next sum it is written minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus of minus 1. So I am just directly writing it minus 1, and in the answer I am getting minus 31 is divided by minus 31. So in the answer it is coming plus 1. As we are dividing two negative integers, so in the answer we will get a positive integer and the numbers will be divided as well. So in this way we will get the answer. Now the rest of the sums will be done by yourself, but I will do the last one only. In the last sum it is written minus 6 plus 5. It is divided by minus 2 plus 1. So minus 6 plus 5, I am not writing any brackets in this sum, because I am simply removing the bracket by changing its signs, and I am giving the numbers in this way. So minus 6 plus 5, two different signs, means operation subtraction, and sign will be of the bigger one, so minus 1 will be answer for the numerator. In the denominator we will get again minus 2 plus 1, so minus 1, After dividing two negative integers, we will get a positive integer. So in the answer, we will get plus 1. Now let's start question number 2. Here it is written, verify that a divided by within bracket b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. We have to just check this. How to check this? First, we will just do this sum in this way, 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2. Okay, so 12 is divided by minus 2 and in the answer we are getting minus 6. Okay, next we will check the right hand side. So let's do 12 will be divided by minus 4. This part will be added to 12 divided by 2. Okay, so what we are getting? Minus 3 plus 6. In the answer we are getting plus 3. So here the answer we have got is minus 6 and here in the right hand side we are getting the answer plus 3. So both are not equal. So in this way we can verify it. So I have done the first sum. I hope you will be able to do this next sum. Okay, so this will be your homework. Let's come to the next sum. Here some fill in the blanks are given and I would like to start from the last sum because there I can see some variations. So question number 3H, it is written something divided by 4 is equal to minus 3. Whenever we are dividing the dividend by divisor, we are getting the quotient, but when the quotient and the divisor, these two are given, how to find the dividend? Very easy. Simply we will multiply the quotient and the divisor for finding the dividend. So here in the gap we will put minus 12. Okay, let's come to the next sum, means the second last sum. 20 divided by something will bring minus 2. Now next step, what will you do? Here the dividend is given, divisor is not given and quotient is given. So how to find the divisor of this? Simple steps. Dividend will be divided by the quotient so that we will get the divisor and the answer will be minus 10. Okay, now let's come to the question number F. Something is divided by 48 so that we are getting minus 1. Again in the same way we will do. Here for finding the dividend, simply we will multiply 48 by minus 1 so that we will get minus 48 as the answer. Okay, let's come to the question number E. Here we have divided some number by 1 so that we can get minus 87. It is also very easy. Divisor is given, quotient is given, dividend is missing. So simply we will multiply this quotient by the divisor so that we will get the dividend. Okay, I hope all of you will be able to do these sums, rest of the sums, and A, B, C, D, these 4 sums are left. I hope there will be no problem in doing these sums. Let's come to question number 4. Write 5 pairs of integers a, b such that a divided by b is equal to minus 3. Okay, so we have to find such a and b where we can see the quotient is coming minus 3. So we don't have to think anything. First, what you have to do? Simply we will check that by which number a number will be divided so that we will get 3 as the result. If we divide 12 by 4, if we divide 18 by 6, if we divide 21 by 7. Now as in the answer you can see that there is a negative integer given, so simply we can put anywhere the negative sign for finding such pairs where we can divide a by b will bring minus 3 as the quotient. So if you divide minus 12 by 4, you will get minus 3 as the answer, where a is equal to minus 12 and b is equal to 4. If we divide minus 18 by 6, then also we will get minus 3 as the answer, where a is minus 18 and b is 6. In the same way, if we divide 21 by minus 7, we will get the same thing, means minus 3 as the quotient, where A is 21 and B is minus 7. Now in this way we are going to do this type of sum. So today up to this class, in my next video we will show you the rest of the sums of this exercise, means 5, 6 and 7, these 3 sums. So till then, stay safe everyone, keep watching the videos, and if you like it, please do share and subscribe my channel. Bye everyone.